So, over the last good months, I have owned the Skullcandy Indy Evos. I just want to dive into my experience with them. Stick to the end of the video, I'll be talking about the cons and the pros. The Indy Evos have a nice design. The particular type I have is the black one, with touch controls to control call, volume, ambient mode, and switching off. I'm a big fan of touch control. It makes the use of earbuds easy, and with my experience with the Indy Evos, the controls are super sensitive, so navigating my music with them has been smooth. Battery. My battery experience with the Indy Evos has been fantastic. I listen to a lot of music, so I would have them with me most of the time, and they may take me between 4 days to a week. So I guess for a person who doesn't listen to a lot of music, they could go longer. Also, I love the 10 minutes charge that gives you 2 hours of playback time. Water resistance. They are IP55, which means they are water resistant to low pressure water, splashes, sweat and dust. For my case, I haven't interfaced them with water apart from a time I was jogging and got into a light drizzle. They stayed working perfectly. So that's a big bonus. Sweat has also been okay with them, so they are great for the gym or when working out. Solo mode. I love the fact that I can use one earbud to listen as the other is in the case. EQ modes. The sound quality generally on the earbuds is great. Really bassy. Skullcandy loves bass. The buds come with 3 EQ settings: music mode, podcast mode, and movie mode. Over time, I found out that movie mode is the best on these earbuds. Ambient mode. Ambient mode lets you hear your surrounding as you put on the earbuds. I use this a lot. I don't want to remove my earbuds when around people, so it helped that I can listen to my surroundings and my music all together. Skullcandy app. For the Skullcandy app, I feel like it was quite a waste of time on this particular earbuds, as the only thing they can do is change to ambient mode and change EQ modes, which can still be done directly on the earbuds with ease. So I guess people will always go for the ease route. Tile app. I love the fact that I can locate my earbuds when they are lost. I misplace them a lot around the house, so it's great that with the Tile app I can locate and have the earbuds make a sound and also show a precise location on map. Microphone. The mics on these earbuds are 60% for me. When making calls, I would only use them indoors or in less noisy environment. They are not really good in noisy environment, but otherwise they are great microphones. So my take on the earbuds. The cons. Sometimes the buds randomly lose connection, but this has happened to me I think around 3 times, so it's not really a big deal. I also don't love the long earbud stem. A shorter one would really work well. I know some Skullcandy earbuds that have shorter ones, so I guess Skullcandy has worked around that. Otherwise, the Indy Evos are great. The battery, the sound quality are really amazing. Check out how to set them up here. Also, if you want to buy them, check the description below. Thank you.